Joey loves the library. Grover loves it too. Elmo whispers quietly.
Elmo loves you.
The gals love gouty things. How does Elmo love you? Let me count the ways. 1, up, 2, up. All right. Ernie loves to drum. Monsters love to exercise. Kids love bubblegum. Natasha and her daddy love playing peekaboo. But before you turn the page,
Elmo loves you.
Everyone loves something. Elmo told you this was true.
Oh, that's a nice
And you know who Elmo loves? Elmo loves you.
Have Daddy open it. Oh, it's a head.
Before Elmo ends his
Very
poem,
bohemian.
Elmo wants to ask you this. Will you be Elmo's Valentine? Can Elmo have a kiss? Can Elmo have a kiss? Ah, thank you. That was cute.
Bye, Mila.
Thank you. Elmo
Bye-bye.
is a happy monster.
Good job, the game.
The end.